Hello students, welcome to Narayana Online Classes. Today we are discussing assignment number 27 and 28 on the topic data handling. The class is 7th and subject is mathematics. In that the first one, that is middle observation of a data when arranged in either ascending order or descending order. What is the middle observation? So the middle observation is a median of the data. So the first one is a median. The first one is median. The length of each bar tell us the dash of the particular item, right? The length of each bar. So the length of each bar tells the frequency. So frequency of a data. So frequency of a particular item. Dash represents data using pictures of object, right? When which graphs? Pictographs represents data using pictures of a object. Dash graphs helps in presenting data with much more easy. Dash graphs helps in presenting data with much more easy. See, simple. The bar graphs are very easy to construct, right? So bar graphs. The longest bar in the bar graph tell us the dash. The longest bar in the bar graph tell us what? More. Right. Now the next questions. Now the next one. Sixth one. See, long jump by 7 students. Long jump by 7 students. Long jump by 7 students of a team. Are 98 centimeters, 125 centimeters, right, and 140 centimeters, 155 centimeters, and 174 centimeters, and 114 centimeters, and 155 centimeters. Find mode of the data. Find mode of the data. Here the long jump by 7 students. How much they are jumped means 98 centimeters is one person, second person is 125 centimeters, third person is 144 centimeters, right? So first person is 98 centimeters, second person is 125 centimeters, third person is 140 centimeters, and fourth person is 155 centimeters, and fifth person is 174 centimeters, and sixth person is 140 centimeters, and seventh person is 155 centimeters. Should arrange in a ascending order. We need to calculate mode, right? First we should ascending order or descending order. So I'm arranging the data into ascending order. 98 centimeters is next one is 125 centimeters. Next one is 140 centimeters. Here also 140 centimeters. Right, and 98 to 125, 140, next one is here 140, 140 and 155 and 155. Right, the next one is 174 centimeters, right? So here if you observe that 98 is one time and 125 is one time, 140 and 140 are two times, 155 and 155 two times, and 174. The mode of the data is 140 centimeters and 155 centimeters bimodal it is, right? Now the next one. Seventh one, ages of players in a cricket team are 25, 26, 25, 27, 28, 30, 31, 27, 33, 27 and 29. Alright, find the mean and mode of the data. Mean and mode of the data. So here if you observe that, so first we need to calculate a mean age of a player, right? So mean age of a players here the sum of the ages of players by number of players, right? Sum of the ages of players by number of players. So see, first you should add it, 25 plus 26 plus 25 plus 27 plus 28 plus 30 plus 31 plus 27 plus 33 and plus 27 plus 29 by how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 members are there. So if you add it 25 plus 26 plus up to 29, we are getting a 308. The sum of the ages of all the players is 308. The total is 11. So if you solve it, then we are getting a 28. 28 is the mean age of a players. Now the next one is we need to calculate a mode of the data, right? See here, first you should arrange in a ascending order. So what is ascending order is? Ascending order, the first is 25. The same while here is 125, 25 and 25. Next 26. Next here is 27, 27 and 27. 3 27s are there. So 27, 27 and 27. 3 27s are there. And next one is 28 and 29, 30 and 31. Right. 30, 31 and 33. These are the ages in ascending order. If you see the 27 is observed in try 3 times, right? More times, 3 times. Therefore, the mode of the data is 27. 27 we are occurring more than compared to other ages, right? So the mode of the data is 27. Now the next one. See here, the 8th one. How many distinct sets of three positive integers have a mean of a mean of 6 and median of 7 and more, no more. So is there any positive numbers? Is there any 3 positive numbers getting mean is 6, median is 7 and more is no more, right? Is there any data? No, it is not possible to occur a positive number, right? So we can't solve this problem. So no solutions are there. No solution. So now the ninth one. In the ninth one, draw a double bar graph. So draw a double bar graph. Right. The data is collected, birth rate and death rate. Right. When a states are given, state and birth rate and death rate. The death rate is given per 1000. So see here, Andhra Pradesh 22 is the birth rate and 8 are the death rate. Karnataka A also 22 is the birth rate and 8 is the death rate. And Tamil Nadu also 19 is the birth rate and 8 is the death rate. Kerala 18 is the birth rate and 6 is the death rate. Maharashtra, MH I am taking as Maharashtra, 21 is the birth rate and 8 is the death rate. Orissa 24 is the birth rate and 11 is the death rate. By using this data, we need to draw a bar graph. Let it be. Here I am drawing a bar graph. In the bar graph, see 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, 30, the last one is 35. See, here Andhra Pradesh, AP, let it be, I am using a double bar graph, right? So let it be, this shows the death rate and the complete shading is showing birth rate. So Andhra Pradesh is 22 is the birth rate. 22 means here is. So here this is the birth rate and death rate is 8. 8 means up to here, right? So this is the death rate. Now in Karnataka K. So in that 22, here also the same thing, 22. Is the birth rate and 8 is the death rate, right? The next one is Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Here 19 is the birth rate, right? So 19 means up to here. And death rate is 8. Here also the death rate is 8. Next one is Kerala. KE means Kerala. 18 is the birth rate. So 18 is the birth rate and 6 is the death rate. So 6 is the death rate. And now coming to the Maharashtra. In Maharashtra 21. So 21 MH is the Maharashtra. Now coming to the death rate is 6. 6 or 8? 8. Now Orissa, OS is the Orissa. 24 is the birth rate and 11 is the death rate. So this is the bar graph. This is a bar graph for the given data. Right? Now the next one. The fifth one, see the monthly income of seven households in a village are 1200, 1500, 1400, 1000, 1600 and 10,000. These are the find median income of the households. Median income of the households. Right. So here the given data you should arrange in a ascending order. So ascending order. So in ascending order, the first one is 1,000, and the next one also 1,000, and the next one is 1,200. Next one is 1,400. Next one is 1,500. And next one is 1,600 and 10,000. Right. Here, what is the median of the data? The middlemost observation. See here, if you observe it in the data, this is the middlemost observation. So median of the data is equals to 1,400. So that is the median income of households in a village. Right. So thank you so much.